You've been using the kitchen sponge the wrong way your whole life. Very few know this trick that I will be showing you today. Once you know it, I assure you that you will be surprised and you will never use the kitchen sponge in the traditional way again. But this is not all, as I will also give you other uses of the kitchen sponge that you probably did not know, and that will be helpful to you. Pay attention, the good stuff starts now. First, I will give you the tricks you can do with the kitchen sponges. Number 1, remove the edge of the old shavers. After using the shavers several times, they will lose their edge. You can always reuse them by giving them an edge with a sponge. With the rustic part of the sponge, rub in the opposite direction to the edge and it will be like new. Number 2, save needles and pins. If you are one of those who often lose the pins and needles, the kitchen sponge can help you. Just put them on top of the sponge and you will always know where you left them. Number 3, absorb bad smells. When the refrigerator or wardrobe has a bad smell, you can always use a kitchen sponge. Add a little baking soda on top and place it where there is a bad smell and it will go away completely. Number 4, remove the fluff from the clothes. If when washing the clothes you notice that there is some fluff left, the sponge can help you. Gently rub the rustic part of the sponge on the clothes and you will notice how they will go away little by little. I would like to know from which country you are watching me so I can send you a greeting at the end of the videos. Number 5, clean frames and grills. Take a knife and cut the sponge like this. This will help you clean difficult places such as the window frame, as well as the fan grill and much more. And now we come to the main trick of the video. When washing dishes, most people rub the kitchen sponge on the soap. This is not so effective because when you pass the sponge on the dishes, all the soap is lost in one go and you always have to repeat the process several times. Other people, what they do is put liquid soap in the water and submerge the sponge inside. While it is true that this saves a lot of soap, it is not very effective either, because the water always ends up getting cloudy, and when the sponge is submerged, it will only be filled with bacteria. And when changing the water, it often becomes a waste of water. To solve this, you will only need to take a knife and make a cut in this part of the sponge, just as I show you. Then take a piece of soap to rub and insert it into the sponge. When wetting the sponge, a lot of foam will be produced, which is constant and never goes away, and in turn you will be automating the task and saving a lot more water. Help me take this video to someone who needs to know this. Today's greeting is for Mario Choa from the United States and for Aura Restrepo from Colombia. Thank you very much for watching our videos.